Hey, welcome to Multiple Sources of Income. As Bob Proctor would call it, is wow. Because basically, whenever somebody sees the multiple income sources here, sources of income, they're going to find out that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, actually 18 sources of income here. It starts out with the join here, and of course we've got it at the bottom of the screen, and we've got it at the top of the screen of the source of income. We got the money sucking websites. We've got Best Easy Work, Millionaire Society, Color of Money, Procter and Gallagher streaming club, and also the goal setting. I'm going to change that and stretch that out a little bit because it doesn't show up too well there. Turn your computer into cash machine. Develop your higher mental faculties with the magic in your mind. What do they call that? The $25 one-up program, and you can change your laptop lifestyle with that. Get a digital franchise. Builderall, that's a residual income stream. Most of the ClickBank programs in here are multiple income streams or monthly income streams. So residual, we'll call them. Okay, 3 to 5 MLM leads per day, or the MLM Recruit on Demand. Udemy, how to lose 13 pounds in 26 days. $500 blueprint that has to do with Freester and taking surveys and everything, and you can actually make $500 per month with that program. Realistic Extreme Wealth, free training, and everything in the People's Program. It's affordable gifting. Discover the easiest cash system there is on the internet, with that last one there. So you see, folks, you have exactly what Bob Proctor was talking about in the video below. You have multiple income streams. That's going to be changed to multiple sources of income shortly here, because we're under remodeling basically with this. And what we have here is, I'm back with you here. What we have here is the main page where everyone gets sent here, and management can keep an eye on people and see who sent who to where and everything. But the important thing is that you put your information in this form down here at the bottom. If you don't have a ClickBank account, we will teach you how to get one if you can get one, but that's something that we'll do later on. What we're going to do is get you into the program here. Just leave the ClickBank username blank. Put your name in here, put that in there. You can join for free. Now, of course, if you join for free, you're going to basically want to at least upgrade for $7 with the Join Here program. And you can see over here where the order takes place for the $7. Now, we don't want to leave anybody behind. Okay, so $7, you get a lifetime membership. Wait a minute. I'm going to have to change something there, but I'll take care of that in a little bit, and we'll take care of that. But just to let you know that if you order there in the join here, you're going to be helping your sponsor out a little bit, because your sponsor, as long as your sponsor is linked into our program with what they need to do to get linked into our program 100%, you're going to they're going to get 75% of that $7. Okay, that's the first income that starts with our program. Next one is the money sucking websites. That's $47. Now, I'm sure that one will work. If it doesn't work, it's because I've been changing a few things around, and I'll have to wait until we get that set up. But here's my point right here, is that people need to fill this form out, and once they fill that form out, they're going to go to this page on the money sucking websites. And I'm going to stop that video there, because I like you people to at least, you know, look the program over and everything, and come here and watch the videos on your own. But when they go here and go here, okay, so I'm going to put that one back to the membership site, and it's going to, if you are a member of money sucking websites, you know, you can get your link put in there for the money sucking websites and any of our other products that are available through money sucking websites. And as soon as we get things straightened out with the ClickBank on that other program and everything for the products, you know, we're going to definitely be able to get you set up in our program here. The main thing is, watch that video over the one that you're on right now. Go down and watch Bob Proctor in Earning Money is a Game, okay, and how to turn your yearly income into your monthly income. This can only be done online with multiple sources of income. Think and Grow Rich, download the book, then watch Patrick Bet-David here. He's got a great formula for making $1 million income per month, and this can be done. It's easier than you think, and you'll see the formula in his video, and download his PDF file along with it there. And then, you know, The page that you found yourself on is your sponsors page. What's going to happen when you join the program, if you join the program over at this page here, no, it's not that page there. I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's see. If you join it under the main page, okay, you are going to get a copy of your sponsors page minus the money sucking, not the money sucking websites, minus this program down here. Okay, and the reason I'm doing this is because this program right here is my affiliate program. Okay, when we put you into this program, I will recontact you if for any reason anybody else signs up for this program and pays the $125 in this program. You can take a look over here. Basically, this is the page. It has I'm going to stop that video. It has a autoresponder in it, and you take the tour of that whenever you put your information in here, and you see for yourself, because the tour is free. Just go up there, check out the tour, and when you get your own page, you can do it with your sponsor. You can do it for yourself, you know, and if you did it for yourself, let's say you decided to join this program and you sent me $125. Since you did it on your own page, you're going to get a rebate of $62.50. So if you wait and get your own page and get your link in your own page right here, okay, well, that's the way that works. I have no way of knowing the program in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a frame in there. There's something that you can use to go into the people's program, and we'll take care of that from management, you know. So anyways, people, the important thing is get signed up, get joined. If it's going to be free, or if it's going to be, you know, you getting your own affiliate program down here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rotator in here. So basically, this is going to be a real good money-making program for everybody in the program, and it's going to get everybody to actually get moving and referring people to the program. That's the best I can do with that, is to put the rotator in there. Everybody that comes into our program is going to be put into that rotator, and that way somebody is going to receive money whenever they sign up for good. I can't promise you that it's going to be you, because if I put the rotator in there, it's going to be anybody, you know. Might be they're coming to your page and everything, but that page is the first page that I showed you over there, and that's the way that goes. Okay, thank you, folks. Take it easy.